This is an introductory video to the pillar drill. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. You can see one behind me, one here, but they all tend to have the same features. So looking at our pillar drill, we can see we have a chuck here. This is the part that will hold our drill piece. We can rotate the chuck to tighten components inside it. So I have here a 5mm drill. I'm going to open up my chuck by spinning it. I'm going to place my drill inside. I'm going to tighten my chuck back up until it holds the drill in the correct position. Now, hand tight is no good. So I'm going to use a chuck key, which is one of these, to tighten it up. The chuck key sits in the chuck, give it a spin, and it will tighten the drill the right amount. Now, the workpiece that I have here has 3 holes marked on it ready to be drilled. I don't particularly want to hold this workpiece whilst I drill it, because there's a good chance it will spin around on the bed and it will cause some damage. So instead I'm going to place a working vise on the table. So the vise itself sits on the table, and attached to this vise I have a clamp. So this vise is going to sit on the table of the machine. I'm going to locate the bolt in a clamped position. And get the vise sat in a position that allows me to access the workpiece with the drill. When I'm comfortable the vise is in a good position, I will clamp the vise down to prevent it moving unnecessarily. I'll ensure I've got clearance to my workpiece. I'll place my workpiece in the vise and tighten the vise handle so that my workpiece is secure. Now, the drill itself needs to land on each of the points that I've marked. So I will align it up by eye. When I'm comfortable, I can use the handle on the machine to bring the drill piece down and check that it meets my mark. When I'm comfortable, I'm going to use a spanner to tighten the vise in place. Double check the position of my drill, and then I'm good to go. I press the on button, the drill will spin at the appropriate speed, and then I can just gently apply pressure, and my hole will be drilled. For this second hole, you can see our indentations on the plate where we want to drill, and the hole we have already drilled. So this time I'm going to turn my drill on, and gently apply pressure, and for the final position I just want to talk a little bit about the pressure applied whilst drilling a hole. So as soon as I start the drill, I'm going to begin to put pressure on the handle. I don't want to force it though, I don't want to pull down on it too hard. I want to give it gentle pressure to the drill bit, and I want the drill to do most of the work. If I find that I'm having to push too hard and it's not really moving, chances are I've bent the drill out or the drill wasn't sharp to begin with. So make sure you're using a nice sharp drill piece, gentle pressure, and as I get to about halfway through the hole on this 6mm material, I'm going to ease the pressure off the handle, bring it back out, and then put it back in. This allows the swarf that's produced to leave the hole and exit it without clogging the drill up.